Welcome back to another Late Nights with Warm Whiskey. Tonight it is way past the witching hour by a little bit. Not way past, but for some reason or another, I'm going to be reviewing something I've been sitting on here for a minute. This is going to be the Knob Creek 15-year 2020 limited release. I've heard some mixed reviews out there about this. I'm going into this with some level of, preconceived notions, expectations. It is 15-year-old Knob Creek. I have had some experience with some store picks that were around that age, and they can pack a very tannic punch, a very oaky tannic finish, and sometimes you just got to be in the mood for that, and I have no problem with it. So with that in mind, we are going to crack this bottle here and now. The waxy mess of Jim Beam products. This wasn't as bad as some of the others. Underneath there, we have definitely a synthetic cork, which is not. There's the pop. Not a bad thing in my opinion. So here we go. A 100 proof 15-year-old limited release. The first. They've extended to 12, I believe, but there's been no announcements or plans or anything, so we'll see. I'm sure Jim Beam has more 15-year-old stock to go through. Very nice box, and one thing I'll give credit due to Jim Beam, they actually glued the bottle to the box, so that's broken. And let's go in. Yeah, really getting a oaky apple, a nice spice. The nose on this right now is actually very, very nice. Yeah. Nice apple, caramel, a nice oak, backbone of oak just standing. Everything else is riding off of it. Some very nice oily, lingering, leggy lacings on the glass. And a very pleasant aroma for sure. Really appreciating the nose of this right now. And this is a fresh crack. Have not had this at all to this point in time, so let's see where this goes. Very dense. Sweet. There's that apple. Caramel. Burnt brown sugar. The oak. A slight citrusy note, but I have no issue with the taste, the finish, the aroma, the smell on this 15-year. As to the mixed reviews that I've heard about this, everybody's entitled to their own opinion. I happen to really enjoy what I'm experiencing so far from this whiskey. And at 100 proof, has a nice finish, a nice mouthfeel to it. Really easy to give it a really good chew and swish it around the old mouth. And goes down pretty damn consistent. Getting some of that classic Jim Beam nuttiness. I guess you could call it a peanut. It's not quite. Yeah, it's there. The Jim Beam peanut is definitely there. But there was also those fruit notes, the spice, and the oak. I think the big thing is that apple. Kind of a weird hint of a citrus and apple. That I'm in no way disappointed with the Knob Creek 15, and has nothing to do with anything in my background. So, moving forward, we'll have some other whiskeys to cover. I need to knock some of these out in a faster manner than I have been as of late. But here we are in summer, and the time of the year to enjoy yourself. So, I will try to be a little bit more diligent for you folks. And on that note, the Knob Creek 15 is fantastic. I highly recommend, if anybody has or can get a hold of it, and anybody that does not like it or feels that they were disappointed, you can feel free to get a hold of me, and I will absolutely help you. Take care of that problem. Score.